Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Hogwarts with a truly unique and enchanting LEGO set, the LEGO Harry Potter Book Nook, Hogwarts Express. Before we hop aboard the Hogwarts Express, don't forget to check the link below to get this awesome set at the best price today. Brick emoji, what's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find a gorgeously detailed train compartment scene. 2 collectible minifigures, Harry Potter and Ron Weasley. Tons of clever accessories including luggage, a chocolate frog, wands, and even the trolley cart. The whole set folds into a Book Nook-style vertical display, making it a perfect shelf piece between your favorite fantasy novels or on your desk. It's not just a toy, it's a mini magical portal. Steam locomotive emoji, build experience, fun, engaging, and magical. Building this set is an absolute joy. It's designed for kids ages 10 and up, but adult fans, fools, will love it too. The instructions are clear, and the process is relaxing, creative, and immersive. There are tons of hidden details for true fans, like the brick-built lanterns, train seating, and even the window views into the wizarding world. And when it's fully assembled, it becomes a Book Nook diorama you'll be proud to show off. Mage emoji, pretend play and display. This set hits the sweet spot between imaginative storytelling and display-worthy design. Kids can reenact Harry and Ron's iconic first meeting, trade wizarding treats, or imagine new Hogwarts adventures. Adults, meanwhile, will love the way it fits snugly between books or on a shelf. It's a conversation starter and a beautiful tribute to one of the most iconic scenes in the series. Present emoji, perfect gift idea. Looking for a unique birthday gift or holiday surprise? This LEGO Book Nook is perfect for Harry Potter fans of all ages, kids who love LEGO building, book lovers and collectors, DIY enthusiasts looking for something magical to create and display. It's portable, compact, collectible, and adds charm to any bookshelf or playroom. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The LEGO Harry Potter Book Nook, Hogwarts Express is more than just a toy. It's a mini masterpiece that combines the creativity of LEGO with the magic of the wizarding world. From the thoughtful details to the beautiful final build, this is a must-have for any Potterhead. Fire emoji, verdict, 9/5, charming, creative, and collectible magic. Bullseye emoji, click the link below to grab yours today at the best available price, and let the Hogwarts Express take you on a journey of fun and imagination. And if you love this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more magical toy and LEGO set breakdowns. Down pointing finger emoji, get the LEGO Harry Potter Book Nook, Hogwarts Express here, best price today.